question from exercise 1.4. This is also very simple. Okay, don't be confused. So I am reading the question first. So your question is, the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. Starting from first statement. Okay, the first statement is the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. So write first statement at the beginning, that is at 12 noon it's 10 degrees Celsius, right? This is given in question. Now next statement I am reading. Next statement is, if it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight. So what rate of change of temperature is minus 2 degree Celsius as given in question. Now I am solving this statement step by step. Okay, I am just writing the statement. Now our next statement, I am reading your next statement. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? Now I am writing the third one. Next statement, temperature at 1 p.m. Okay, what we have to do? Temperature at 1 p.m. That means we have to take temperature at the beginning, that is 10 degrees Celsius, minus plus rate of change of temperature, that is rate of change minus 2 degrees Celsius. What we have to do is add these numbers, 10 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, these are the statements. So minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now plus minus is minus, what you will get, 10 minus 2, you will get 8. That means our answer 8 degrees Celsius. Temperature at 1 p.m. is 8 degrees Celsius. Now next is at 2 p.m. What is the temperature of 2 p.m.? The simple, we will take 8 degrees Celsius now. What? 8 rate of change is minus 2 obviously. So now 8 temperature plus minus 2. Okay, so plus minus is minus. What you will get now? 8 minus 2 is simple 6, and the greater sign is there. That means now the temperature at 2 degrees, 6 degrees Celsius at 2 p.m. 6 degrees Celsius. Now take 6 degree temperature at 3 p.m. What temperature? Now 6 plus minus 2. Again step by step solve this and you will get the answer. Plus minus is minus. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Now 4 degrees Celsius. Temperature at 3 p.m. is 4 degrees Celsius. Now temperature at 4 p.m. What is the temperature at 4 p.m.? Simple, 4 plus rate of change of temperature. 4 minus 2. You will get. So hope question number 5th is easy for you also. Solve it and practice it. So this is very simple question. Okay. Solve statement step by step. You will get the answer. Now comes in 6th question.